Hey everyone, welcome to Crypto Clarity. My name is Sahil, and this is the channel where we talk all about blockchain and cryptocurrency. So, if you're new to this channel, please make sure you like and subscribe because we talk all about the news happening in the crypto space, but also learn about the concepts and understand where the market and the crypto space is going in general. So today's video is going to be something special about Bitcoin ecosystem, and this is something which we are trying to figure out as we go now because the Bitcoin bull market looks like it's coming back. So this video is about Bitcoin ecosystem and how it has the potential to grow hugely in the next bull market. So we know that crypto has seen the pump in the last couple of weeks, especially with the news of Bitcoin ETF coming out. But how do you take advantage of this situation? You would think that you would put all that money into this, Bitcoin or Ethereum or other cryptos that are known to, people right now. But there's another way. If you have more appetite for risk, then you can start looking into the Bitcoin ecosystem because that will definitely grow in the future as we see huge amount of money coming into the Bitcoin ecosystem, especially with the ETFs that are going to be launched in November or even next year. Even if they delay it, it will be launched someday or the other. So this is really important to know that if you are, wanting to learn about crypto market and how it works properly, this is the time to do that and do your research. And the video that I'm going to put out right now is literally telling you that. So this is like finding Polygon Matic, which was the part of Ethereum ecosystem, and it boomed when Ethereum price also went up. So Bitcoin didn't have that chance last time because there were not so many of these coins or these networks that are kind of using Bitcoin layer now, and this is something that you will definitely want to do more research about. Obviously this is not financial advice, but I will go through few of these and tell you how this can be a big opportunity for you if you are trying to look into this kind of plays in future. And also right now I have put some money in something called RIF, which is rootstock infrastructure for Lightning Network. So this is also something that I saw, and I am trying to find these trends before they happen. So that's always the case in crypto market, that you find these trends and ride those and also cash it out before the big money or anyone else leaves it. So that's the important part about this video, so make sure that you watch it till the end. I'll start doing this using this Twitter post by Coin360, which is telling you all about the Bitcoin ecosystem as of March 1st. There are other things added to it as well now, but I will try to find the updated version as well so that we can look into those as well. So let's get right into it. So if you are new in the crypto market, then this is something that is really important for you to know. This is the chart that tells you how the money flow in the crypto market. So as you see, it's pretty simple, and it's hard to get in the first go of your crypto run, but once you are in the crypto market for a while, you understand how it works. And this is exactly what happens every bull market, and how you see the money flow in there. So you see that fiat is first moved to Bitcoin, and then it is converted into large caps like Ethereum. So first people move money to Bitcoin, which then increases in value. Then when Bitcoin is people are getting profits on Bitcoin, they move it to large caps, which is something like Ethereum, Cardano, XRP, all the altcoins, but the ones that have huge amount of capitalization in their market. So it moves there, then it moves to mid caps, which is something in the range of less than $1 billion, and then later on it goes into more riskier low caps altcoin. So that's how the market flows, and people try to make money of these different caps. If they are more seasoned trader or seasoned investor, then they go to the low caps as well, and they understand when to take out money. But if you're a newbie, then the best thing is to go to Bitcoin, large caps and mid caps at the most. So because your risk profile would be different and it would be different for everyone. So this is something that happens in every crypto cycle. So also this goes deeper than that. If it is going into large caps, something like Ethereum example, then it will go into the Ethereum ecosystem as well. So that will be the same thing again, that Ethereum ecosystem will have Ethereum, then large caps, mid caps, and low caps. So that has happened in the previous bull market when we saw NFTs, DeFi, or any other thing related to the Ethereum ecosystem pump hugely, especially in that phase where you saw Uniswap, all those decentralized exchanges as well saw so much value coming into them. And this is something that can happen in Bitcoin this time, because now we have different platforms, apps, or different kind of layers that are creating Bitcoin layers as well, and using Bitcoin as the main network. So this is something that I'm trying to get my head around as well, but I want you to start learning about this before the bull market is here. So if you see this tweet, this is the image which shows the DeFi and the infrastructure and the NFT and wallet, all these different kind of use cases for Bitcoin ecosystem. So this can be huge when you see apps like Sovereign, Badger DAO, Atomic Finance. All these are DeFi, and they are already running products in the Bitcoin space. So you can see infrastructure, which is Lightning Network, as you already know. That's the biggest thing that has allowed Bitcoin to scale, and now all of these apps will be using it. So Lightning Network, Stacks as well. Then there is Riff, which is something that I was talking about earlier, and it is getting a lot of value in there slowly. So these are the kind of things that you need to look into. We'll also look into CoinMarketCap and the Bitcoin ecosystem category there. So if you see Bitcoin ecosystem on CoinMarketCap, you will see other even related chains like Wrapped Bitcoin, Bitcoin Cash. These were already the fork of Bitcoin, so they are kind of a part of Bitcoin ecosystem, but they are separate than that. They are not building on top of Bitcoin. They are having a separate blockchain. So things like Stacks, Threshold, Rootstock, infrastructure framework, which is 11 cents. All of these have potential to get some sort of capital when all these ETFs come into play, because as you see, this cycle is followed in everything, basically, even in stock market, even in other asset classes, where people convert their fiat money to the asset and then they get the profit from there, basically move it to other different kind of risk profiles of these assets, and then they convert it back to the fiat currency so that they have more value out of it. So that's always good to know. The thing that I'm looking at currently very closely, I have some position in rootstock as well, and I'm also trying to have a look on what their movement is. They recently pumped pretty good. If you see on 24th, when Bitcoin as well took a jump, and then Riff as well, they took a jump from 0.6 cents. So that's a good indicator here that it is kind of following Bitcoin, and it will do that as we see more people are coming into the market. As we see ETF coming in, there will be a lot of people having their cash on the side ready to deploy. They will do it as soon as they see their time is coming, and also they will understand that Bitcoin as a whole is growing, and for this you need these kind of apps or infrastructure for Bitcoin to be able to do all these tasks and all these apps. So this is technically like a roadmap for it, where you see that these will be the future of Bitcoin ecosystem. So imagine you had the chance to get into Uniswap or anything else, and you didn't take it. This will be like all of these apps. If you are using these now, you might even get an airdrop or stuff like that can happen. So you can look into these. Definitely give that a try. I'll put this link in the description so that you can have your own research. Obviously these are new, so they will be riskier in profile, but you can get into these early and understand what they do basically. And if you see that these have a big use case, then obviously you can learn more about it. Go to their socials everywhere. They'll have more information. If you look at stacks as well, it is performing really well. In the last 1 year, I think it did pretty good as well. So you can see it's still lower than its $1. It's almost crossed it in the bear market, so that's pretty good to see as well. Like these performed even when there was bear market, and the all-time high was around $3 when in November 2021. Obviously Bitcoin pumped, so you can see they at least will reach that high when the market cap of these coins will increase because of more interest in Bitcoin. As you see, different kind of hedge funds and all the pension funds are going to come into it, because now the ETFs are going to be available, so that way anyone can be investing in that. And especially not anyone like retail, but if you see ETF, they are mainly being invested by pension funds and big hedge funds, companies that have a pool of money that they have sitting ready for investing. They will be able to do that because then the ETF company can buy Bitcoin for them and hold it as a custodian. So that will be again a way to increase your wealth and also increase your probability of getting the higher gains. So obviously do your own research. If you have questions about it, put them in the comment section below. I will talk more about these in detail. If you want a detailed video, I will create for rootstock and stacks. I will create a playlist as well for them, so that you can understand what is going on the Bitcoin blockchain. And it's not just Bitcoin anymore, it is more than that, because it will be building things on top of Bitcoin. So you will see that difference in future as well. And it's really important to understand that it is possible now to build things on Bitcoin, so that you don't think of it as just one Bitcoin does not have any capability like Ethereum, and you compare it to other things. So now you can even say that Bitcoin has NFTs, Bitcoin has DeFi, Bitcoin can also have smart contracts. So that's also something that you need to be aware of, that all these narratives can come into the bull market next time, and it can pump these coins to really high numbers. So obviously this is not financial advice, so make your decision very carefully. Right now you can see the global market is really bad for other asset classes, but crypto is performing better than others. Bitcoin has already shown more than 100% since the starting of this year, so that's very good performance, especially in the times of crisis. You can see people running to this as a quality flight to quality. Even Larry Fink from BlackRock said that. So it's important to know that these narratives are trying to change the way people think about Bitcoin, and now they will come in the swarms and also put their money in there. So thanks for watching this video. Let me know if you need any help with these. Put it in the comment section below if you like this video, and also follow for more. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time.